How to hide in-app purchases on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application. The App Store is a digital distribution platform, developed and maintained by Apple, for iOS and iPadOS applications. It allows users to browse, download, and install apps onto their Apple devices. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Here, go to Apps. You can view all your apps over here. Scroll down to find the app that you want to hide. Then, hold the app and swipe left. And then, tap on the Hide button beside. You have now successfully hidden this app. You can repeat this to hide the other apps as well. Following these steps, you can easily hide in-app purchases on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.